Take a sample. They put it on here with alcohol. Ah, so you twist it.
Then, yeah,
And so alcohol and milk. And now you look for the quality of the milk. Okay.
yeah, so it's fresh. It's only that the gun had.
The gun was dirty.
Yeah.
All right. So you see what happens. So they're just checking the milk, and the farmer says it's fresh. But the gun was not cleaned very well, so there was clots in it. So it's like a California milk test in a simple system. And now they measure the liters. How many?
So this is the 5.
5 liters. Okay. Yeah. And this is the gun where there's alcohol in the bottom, and they twist it, and then the alcohol comes out together with a little bit of milk. I've never seen this gun before. And then the milk goes into the tank, the filter.
Then now,
Yeah. No more filter right into the tank. And this is how it goes here in Zambia, the milk collecting center. It's a co-op with 340 farmers bringing a few liters of milk, 5 liters in the morning. And this is a dry season, so the dry season is actually less milk because there's not enough to eat for the cows. So we have 40% less milk in the dry season compared to the wet season. Wet season is from November till March. So now they're cleaning. So is it disinfected in here? What is inside? Water plus?
yeah, we will also put tipo inside.
Tipo?
Tipo and the disinfectant.
Okay, some disinfectant is inside there to wash. So this is how it goes, guys, in Zambia, where we have here cows for sale on the wall, jerseys, and happy cows on the Choma district union. Thanks for watching. This is Patricia from the Milk Collecting Center, together with my new trainer here, Katharina.
Hi.
Thank you for taking here, Katharina. Excellent. Nice to see.